What if the future of luxury was not built in silence, but powered by intelligence? Today on China's Smart Car Tech, we are revealing one of the most futuristic luxury electric SUVs ever imagined, the metallic emerald green Volvo EV60. From futuristic safety technology to ultra-premium luxury design, this EV looks like it came straight from the year 2035. And trust me, the final scene of this video will completely blow your mind. So stay till the end because this is not just a car, this is the future of smart luxury mobility. Front camera slowly moving toward the car inside luxury showroom. Starting from the front view, the Volvo EV60 instantly looks powerful, futuristic, and ultra-premium. The metallic emerald green paint reflects beautifully under the luxury showroom lights, giving the SUV an expensive billionaire-style appearance. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, while the Scandinavian design language keeps everything minimal and modern. The sharp LED daytime running lights create an unforgettable road presence. Even while standing still, this SUV feels alive. The futuristic grille design, aerodynamic body lines, and premium proportions make the EV60 look like a luxury concept car ready for production. This is the kind of vehicle that makes people stop and stare the moment it enters the road. Rear cinematic tracking shot. Now moving to the rear design, the EV60 looks absolutely stunning from every angle. The full-width LED taillight setup creates a futuristic signature glow, making the car instantly recognizable at night. The rear bumper design looks sporty and premium at the same time, while the clean Scandinavian styling keeps the design elegant instead of overcomplicated. The metallic emerald reflections combined with the ambient showroom lighting create a cinematic luxury atmosphere. This back view feels more like a luxury spaceship than a traditional SUV. Extreme close-up of headlights turning on. Take a close look at these headlights. Volvo has always been famous for futuristic lighting design, but the EV60 takes things to another level. The crystal clear LED matrix lights look razor-sharp, premium, and highly intelligent. The DRL signature creates an aggressive futuristic expression while also improving visibility and safety. Every small detail inside the headlight housing feels engineered with precision. At night, these lights transform the SUV into a glowing luxury machine. Taillights glowing in dark environment. The rear lighting setup is equally impressive. The futuristic LED backlights stretch beautifully across the rear profile, creating a luxury cyberpunk-inspired look. The glowing red illumination reflects perfectly against the metallic emerald paint, giving the vehicle a premium cinematic appearance. Even from a distance, the EV60 looks futuristic, elegant, and instantly recognizable. This is the kind of rear lighting design that defines modern luxury electric vehicles. Luxury cinematic shot of the door opening slowly. And now, welcome inside the future. As the doors open, the cabin instantly feels like a luxury Scandinavian lounge. Ambient blue and golden lighting illuminate every detail beautifully. The soft premium leather surfaces, elegant wood trims, and futuristic design create an atmosphere that feels calming, expensive, and modern. The EV60 does not just transport passengers, it creates an experience. Every surface, every texture, and every lighting detail feels carefully designed to maximize comfort and luxury. Electric powertrain reveal. Underneath the futuristic body lies advanced electric engineering. The Volvo EV60 features a next-generation electric powertrain designed for performance, efficiency, and intelligent driving. The clean electric architecture highlights the beauty of modern EV technology. Unlike traditional engines, this setup looks futuristic and minimal while still delivering powerful performance. This is not just about speed. It is about smart mobility, silent power, and the future of driving technology. Close-up rolling tire shot. Take a look at these premium aerodynamic alloy wheels. The EV60 features futuristic wheel designs that improve both efficiency and visual appeal. The detailed tire tread pattern provides confidence on different road conditions, while the oversized alloy rims give the SUV an aggressive luxury stance. Even the wheels feel engineered like luxury artwork. Wide cinematic interior shot. Inside the cabin, everything feels ultra-premium. The panoramic glass roof allows natural light to flow beautifully across the interior, while ambient lighting creates a relaxing futuristic atmosphere. The minimalist Scandinavian design keeps the cabin clean, elegant, and modern. There are no unnecessary distractions, only luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. This interior feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV cabin. Dashboard screens glowing. The dashboard design is one of the highlights of the EV60. A massive curved digital display stretches across the cockpit, providing futuristic graphics and smart controls. The interface looks clean, intelligent, and highly advanced. Every screen animation feels smooth and premium, while the minimalist dashboard layout improves the luxury experience. This is what future smart car technology should look like. Luxury front seats close-up. The front seats are designed for maximum luxury and comfort. Premium leather upholstery, detailed stitching, and ergonomic shaping create a first-class driving experience. The ambient lighting surrounding the seats enhances the futuristic atmosphere, while the advanced seat support system ensures comfort during long drives. These are not just car seats, they feel like luxury executive lounge chairs. Rear passenger luxury experience. Moving to the back seats, the EV60 continues its luxury experience. Rear passengers get generous space, premium materials, and futuristic comfort features. The panoramic roof creates an open atmosphere, while the ambient lighting transforms nighttime driving into a cinematic experience. This rear cabin is designed for VIP-level comfort and relaxation. Luxury SUV near desert hot springs. Now imagine taking the EV60 into breathtaking natural environments. Here, the metallic emerald paint reflects beautifully beside the glowing desert hot springs. Steam rises into the golden sunset sky while the futuristic SUV stands silently beside the water. This scene perfectly captures the balance between nature and futuristic luxury. Snow driving cinematic shot. Next, the EV60 enters extreme winter conditions. Snow falls heavily across the mountain roads while the LED headlights cut through the icy atmosphere. The intelligent traction systems, aerodynamic design, and luxury stability create a calm and confident driving experience even in harsh weather. This is luxury adventure at its finest. Wide aerial mountain shot. High above the clouds, the Volvo EV60 dominates the luxury mountain roads with elegance and power. The breathtaking alpine scenery perfectly complements the futuristic design of the SUV. Every reflection on the emerald paint adds cinematic beauty to the scene. This is the type of vehicle built for people who want both luxury and exploration. AI collision avoidance graphics. But the real intelligence of the EV60 appears through its advanced safety systems. The futuristic collision avoidance technology uses AI-powered sensors, radar systems, and smart cameras to monitor the environment in real time. When obstacles appear, the system reacts instantly to protect passengers and improve safety. This is more than driving assistance. This is intelligent protection powered by future technology. Luxury villa cinematic shot. Now picture arriving at a billionaire-style luxury villa in the Volvo EV60. The futuristic emerald SUV reflects beautifully beside the infinity pool while golden sunset lighting creates a cinematic atmosphere. This combination of architecture, luxury lifestyle, and futuristic design perfectly matches the personality of the EV60. It is not just transportation. It is a statement of success and modern luxury. Night highway driving. As night falls, the EV60 transforms into a glowing futuristic machine. The LED headlights illuminate the road beautifully while the metallic emerald paint reflects city lights across the wet highway surface. The cinematic atmosphere, smooth electric driving, and futuristic lighting create an unforgettable luxury driving experience. This is where smart EV technology meets pure emotion. Wide side profile driving shot. From the side profile, the EV60 looks aerodynamic, elegant, and highly advanced. The long flowing body lines improve both efficiency and beauty, while the oversized alloy wheels give the SUV a premium aggressive stance. Every angle of this vehicle feels designed for cinematic perfection. Luxury detailing studio scene. Even while being washed, the EV60 looks like a masterpiece. Water droplets slide beautifully across the metallic emerald paint while luxury detailing lights reflect across the bodywork. The cinematic detailing environment highlights every curve, every reflection, and every futuristic design element. This SUV does not just look expensive, it looks unforgettable. Slow cinematic ending shot on rooftop overlooking futuristic city. And here it is, the final vision of the future. The Volvo EV60 stands proudly above the glowing futuristic skyline, surrounded by city lights, luxury architecture, and cinematic reflections. This SUV represents more than just transportation. It represents intelligence, innovation, luxury, and the future of smart mobility. So tell me in the comments, would you drive the futuristic Volvo EV60? And if you enjoyed this cinematic luxury showcase, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more futuristic smart car content right here on China Smart Car Tech.